the workshops and the networking was very entertaining, very challenging, definitely challenged the thoughts of the traditional thinking of parking. The most interesting topic for me was around paid parking, when to introduce a loyalty system to a shopping centre car park. For me, that was the most interesting.
A very interesting event. First, I would say we meet people of the industry and happy to have some exchanges. Secondly, I think the shopping mall operators that we meet here are first very, very involved. Secondly, very high quality. And you don't need 20,000 of them, you just need the right person. And then third, I must say that the parking network, or the organization of the evenings, you have to come and see that. Getting the shopping malls to understand that saving time is more important to end customers than actually spending time in the malls. And that's a very big change of mind in the way they're seeing things. And that, for me, is the topic that they'll have to work on, because it's going against their business model. But they'll have to solve that, or internet will take the power.
The loyalty scheme. This is a good way to find new opportunities to add value to the shopping center. Starting with the car parking and then try to integrate it in the shopping center system, so on. This will add a lot of value to the visitors and the way they are going to feel the experience of the shopping center.
And will we see you at next year's event?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Of course, why wouldn't you?
Definitely, yes.